And we're just gonna cut our dough into strips. I'm gonna pull this piece off. And now we're gonna fold our dough over, and we just want to press to seal in the cinnamon sugar butter in the middle of our dough. We're gonna continue folding our dough over. Just wanna pinch it along the edges. And now we're gonna take our dough and we're gonna start rolling it. Just gonna roll it away. And we're gonna twist it. This is our twist here. I'm gonna use my apple. With our apple slicer, we're just gonna press down, take a piece, and we'll start at the end. We'll tuck that dough in, and we're just gonna roll it around our apple. You can see we have all the little twists in there. Once we get to the end, we're just gonna take our dough, pinch it, and tuck it in. I'm gonna bring it over to my oil. It's at 350 degrees, and we're just gonna place that carefully into the hot oil. And we'll add in the other ones. And we're gonna let those cook until golden. Now our apple twists are nice and golden. We're just gonna scoop them all up. We're gonna drain off any excess oil, and we're gonna place them into our cinnamon sugar. We're gonna give that a little bit of a shake. Now we're just gonna flip them over, get them nice covered. We'll leave this here. These. Okay, I have some hard caramels here, and we're just going to pour them into our pan. And we're gonna leave these over low heat, and we're gonna let them melt. Okay, our caramel has melted, and we're gonna bring it over here. I have a bowl that I've lightly sprayed with some non-stick spray. We're just gonna pour that caramel into our bowl. Now I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna sprinkle on some toasted pecans. Just gonna get those here. I have another bowl that I've also sprayed with non-stick spray, and we're gonna place that onto the top of our caramel, and we're just going to turn the bowl and press down. And this is gonna give us a form of a bowl. So we'll have an edible bowl. We're gonna place this to the side to cool. Now we're gonna put it all together. We're going to unmold our caramel bowl. It's cooled down, so it should just slide right out. I'm gonna bring it over and place it in the middle of my serving dish. Now we're going to place our cinnamon apple twist. And we're gonna fill our bowl with our cream cheese frosting. Look how creamy and delicious that is. For a little decoration, we're gonna add some caramel sauce. And to make it look extra nice, just use a toothpick or a skewer, and we're just gonna trace back and forth to give a nice little design. I'm gonna take my toasted pecans, I'm gonna put them around the outside for that extra crunch. There you have it. You can find all the details of this recipe on chefclub.tv. Now it's time to taste.